With extremely hot weather in Saudi Arabia, 60 to 70% of electricity is consumed by air conditioners. Windmason has started a new energy revolution, saving up to 85% of electricity of your bills. We produce non-compressor, incredibly effective and highly efficient cooling products manufactured here in Saudi Arabia. In one of our recent projects, we installed this solution in LSC Warehouses and Logistics Services Company. LSC has 3 warehouses of 6,000 square meters of area. We have installed 5 units of 25-ton SuperCool in one of these warehouses, which is approximately 1,800 square meters. Out of 5 units, only 2 to 3 units are working currently, which are giving them a temperature of 21 to 22 degrees centigrade inside the warehouse, when the outside temperature is 44 to 45 centigrade. In addition to that, we are exhausting the air via a parallel warehouse which is interlinked with the first warehouse, which results in decreasing the temperature in the second warehouse as well. Without any air condition, Windmason, breathe the finest, breathe economically.